Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bertram, the Pomeranian token. Ticker symbol is Bert. Now this token is trending number 2 right now on DEX tools in the Solana section. Extremely popular token. Saw it trending yesterday. Now it's trending number 2 on DEX tools today. Doing very well, millions and millions of market cap here. We're going to go over the information on the Bertram, the Pomeranian token, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Bert Solana Portal. They have 1,045 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements, updates, and of course, memes. We all need to see the memes. Now, this token here was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. If you want to find the statistics on this token, like the price and the chart, you can find this token on SolScan. But you can also find it on almost all the chart sites. So it's listed basically on Birdeye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko. It's got a Bubble Maps link there. And then they have the Telegram, the Twitter, and the web page. Now, if you look at the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here, you can see it is at BertCoin CTO. And the CTO stands for Community Takeover, which means most likely this token has been, the dev is probably out of the picture, and now it is a community-run project. That's what that implies here. We could verify that, though, if we check on DEX Screener. We could see if it says community takeover or not. So they say Bert is the mayor of Solana. So that's the tagline for this token here. Now, their webpage is bert.global. It says, Woof morning. I'm Bert, the mayor of Solana. Abandoned by breeders, adopted and crowned by the people, community powered with a mission to help dogs worldwide. Then they have the contract address on their webpage and a link to DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Raydium, Twitter, and Telegram, all on their webpage. So basically, if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You would download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you would get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, or you could also find it, their webpage is bert.global, or you can find it on SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX screener, etc. But just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes as of yet for this token. And there is going to be a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off a decentralized exchange. Now, this token may also be available on other DEXs like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and they may have some central exchange listings coming in the future, but we'll have to wait and see, follow the socials to find that out. But yeah, I would assume that this token here is listed all over the DEXs for Solana just because of how popular it is. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $36.2 million. They've had 45,157 transactions just today. They're up 4,002% in the past 24 hours. Even just in the past 5 minutes, they're up 7%. In the past 1 hour, 23%. In the past 6 hours, 86%. So it's just green across the board. They have a market cap of $69.8 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have here a token price today of 7.35 cents per token. So this token here was created 1 month, 14 days ago on Raydium. So it's not like a brand new token or anything like that. But I mean, it continues to do well. As you can see, up today over 4,000%. Like that's pretty insane there. They have a quick audit on DEX tools we're going to check out in 1 second. They also have one on DEX screener. It says no mintable tokens. Contract is not freezable. Now they have $2.1 million worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX screener, 74.81% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. They're trending number 9 right now on DEX tools still. It says their market cap's even bigger on DEX tools. It says it's almost $72 million. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. And their quick audit by Quick Intel Security says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now, Bert is each and every one of us, a symbol of kindness, resilience, and hope. From his humble beginnings as an abandoned pup to becoming a global icon, Bert's story has inspired countless hearts. He embodies the spirit of doing good, spreading positivity and lifting up animals in need. Through his journey, we're reminding that love and compassion can create lasting change, and every act of kindness, big or small, makes a world of difference. In Bert, we see not just a beloved companion, but a movement, an invitation to join, to care, and to uplift those who need it the most. So he kind of looks like Paddington Bear there in a couple of these pictures. I guess he is an actual real dog, where you can see like a real social media posts of this dog on their webpage. And yeah, you can find all that. Of course, there's a disclaimer at the bottom. Always read the disclaimer. But yeah, check it out. Bert.global is the webpage where you can see all the story and the pictures and everything like that. It doesn't have a community takeover claim on DEX screener. Usually they have CTO claim on DEX screener if it is a community takeover. But yeah, you can see CTO in the Twitter here in the name of it. So maybe it is, but they just didn't tell DEX screener. I don't know. But yeah, go have a look at this project. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.